everyone, today I'm going to introduce you guys a free way to transfer your files from your iPhone to Windows PC. First, please download and install our PanFone Manager free on your Windows, then launch it. After start up the program, you can connect your iPhone to Windows PC via USB cable. You need to wait a few seconds until PanFone Manager detects your device, and then use the main screen and 8 modules on the top screen. And here are 3 quick links to open the tools, including phone-to-phone transfer, iOS data recovery, and data eraser. Now, let's start transferring the files from iPhone to PC. Firstly, you can click Music button on the top, and then all music types and playlists will be displayed on the right panel. You can select tracks or playlists, and then click the Export button to transfer the music files from iPhone to PC. And when transferring is complete, the output directory will pop out automatically to show the exported files. Secondly, click Video module to transfer videos, including movies, home videos, music videos, and TV shows from iPhone to PC. Thirdly, click Photo module to note all photos on your phone. Then export your camera roll, photo library, panorama, selfie, and live photo from phone to PC. Click Information module to note your contacts and messages on your phone. After loading is complete, you can click Export button to back up your contacts from iPhone to vCard, CSV, and XML file or to Outlook. Open the Microsoft Excel CSV files to check out the contacts on your phone. Finally, you can click Files button to thoroughly access your iPhone on the disk mode, and browse the hidden files or mobile system folders, and then you can click Export button to transfer files or folders from iPhone to PC. That's all files were transferred from your iPhone to PC. Thanks for watching, and you can download PanFone Manager to manage, transfer, and back up your iOS data.